Look, today we're going to talk about wild Dagga. And this is, you've heard of edible ornamentals. This is an herbal ornamental. We're growing this because it's spectacular, and a lot of guests come by here at Fin River Farm. And so we grow this because it's just a stunning plant. You can imagine when it's got there's 5 different layers here, 5 layers on this already. And it's very showy, and it's from South Africa. It's one of the few things we grow from South Africa. We don't grow hardly anything from there, but this does well in this temperate region here too as an annual. And its Latin name is Leonotis leonurus. Leonurus is the genus name for motherwort. So it's the mint family, and it's become an invasive weed in Kauai, quite a big invasive weed, and it's like 2-3 times as big. It's just giant there in that subtropical area, and it's quite spiny, so once it hardens up, so it's sort of a noxious weed there. But in South Africa, it's smoked as a slight narcotic effect, wild Dagga, kind of a little bit like a pale marijuana or something like that. So it has a bit of a reputation, but it has medicinal uses. So we grow this for medicine. Some people smoke it, and it's an incredible ornamental, if nothing else. And so I recommend that people might want to try this out sometime, so you can have a bit of South Africa in your garden.